Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Yeah, it's your guy again here with a new video of the latest Hamster Kombat Morse code. Morse code. Yes, guys, thank you for your support. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from, whatever time you are seeing this video. I appreciate you. Please support me, share, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. So whenever I post any new video, you'll be the first to know. Now, the Morse code for today, Web 3, WEB 3. WEB 3. So the first thing we do, first thing first, we go to the Morse code environment. So we tap our in per tap three times to get to the Morse code environment. You tap it three times, one, two, three, and you get here. So the first word tonight is the first letter is W, and W is dash dash dot dash and dash. That's W. Then the second one is WE, sorry, not Web 3, and E is a dash. E. Oh, sorry, E is a dot. Oh, so we take it again, W. We have dot, dash, and dash. That's W. Then E is a dot. That's E. Then B is dash, dash, dot. So we come dash, dot. That's B. Then 3 is dot, dot, dash. So we come dot, dash, and dash. That's 3. Yeah, we got the code. So, guys, thank you for watching. This is the code for tonight. It just came out. Subscribe to this channel for more video. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so that as soon as I drop a new video, you will be the first to know. See you in the next one. Thank you, guys.